So in this video we are going to design this banner, or we can say a post for our social media platforms, and you just have to watch full video, then you can able to create this type of post or banner. So all the images which I will use in this video, all the images you can download them. It's all free, link in the description below. You can download them all. And if you enjoy this video, so please like this video and also subscribe this channel. So let's start. So guys, here we are in Photoshop. So now let's start. So go to file and click on this new, and first of all give here the name. So I will give post design by Sarif. Now make sure it's in pixels and with 1080, height 1080 and resolution 300, color mode RGB color. Now that's it. Click on this create button and we have a nice size. Now click on this icon and click on this solid color. Now choose a lighter color like this. Hit OK. Now select both layers and press Ctrl E, and now this is our background layer. Then click on this icon and choose rectangle tool and one click and give here 1080 by 1080. Hit OK. Now go to select and click on this all. Go to move tool, click on this icon and click on this icon. Now go to select and deselect. Now double click on the thumbnail and take a white color. Now press Ctrl T and resize it like this. Now click on this stroke icon and close this stroke. We don't want this. And now just import your images. So just I am going to drag this image in new window. So here you see the white background is with the our product image, so we have to remove that also. So just click on your layer and go to magic wand tool and click on this select subject. Now this option only in the new Photoshop, so I don't know whether you have this option or not. So just select your subject by any selection tool like pen tool or any selection tool. So now we have a nice selection here, but it's not perfect, so we have to make it perfect. So just click on this polygonal tool and press shift from your keyboard, then click and click. Now we have a selection like this. Now select your layer, press Ctrl J. Now delete this older layer. Now go to pen tool and click on this shape to path. Now make a selection for this white part of shoes. Now we have to only make selection from this top image, so don't make it all in the. Now go to selection and click on this OK button. Now select your image and press delete button. Now press Ctrl D for deselect the selection. And now click on this magic wand tool again and click on this select subject. And now select this polygonal tool. Now press shift and alt. Then click here and make a selection of white background and click here. So now we have a selection like this. Now select your layer and press E for eraser tool. So click on this eraser tool and now just erase here. If you erase here like this, so it will remove under the selection. Now go to selection and click on this inverse, so it will remove from the other side like this. So just remove here. Now go to select and click on this deselect. Now here you see this is black color, so just remove it from here. Yeah, that's nice. We have removed the white background. Perfect. Now click on this image and drag this image in your project like this. Now click on this, right click on this image and click on this convert to smart object. Now press Ctrl T and resize it like this. Perfect. And just rotate it like this. Very nice. Now we have to give here a little color effect. So just click on this icon and click on this brightness and contrast. Now click on this icon, don't forget that. Now decrease the contrast like this and increase some brightness like this. That's it. Now put it here, and now click on this ellipse tool and make a ellipse like this. Perfect ellipse, a perfect circle. Now click on this ellipse and click on this color like this. Hit OK. Now we don't want a stroke, just close that. Perfect. Now click on this move tool and put it here like this. Now press A from your keyboard. You will see this anchor point and a new tool. Just select this anchor point from the top. Make sure your direct selection tool is select. The shortcut is A. So just select this anchor point and just delete that from your keyboard. Hit yes. Now press Ctrl T and resize it like this. Now drag this ellipse below your footage like this. Perfect. Now press Ctrl T and resize it like this and increase your shoe like this. Nice. Now click on this shoe layer. Now go to FX and click on this drop shadow. Now give here shadow like this as mine. Just a little shadow, don't too much, just a little shadow like this, and then hit OK. You can see my properties here. Hit OK. Perfect. Click on your background and unlock it. Go to FX and click on this gradient overlay. Now give here gradient like this as I given. So I will show you my color. First color is this and second color is this. Hit OK. Hit OK. Now if you see here, my color, my light color is here and my second dark color is here. So just you have to make sure the angle is in 49 and it's a linear style and opacity should be full. Now that's it. Now click on this OK. Now same gradient we have to give in this circle. So just click on this layer, we have given gradient on it. So right click on it and click on this copy layer style. Now go to your ellipse in this layer. Now right click and click on this paste layer style. So yeah, we have given. And now we have to give here the text. So just I will put this here like this and press Ctrl A, align it, press Ctrl D. Now lock your background layer, lock this layer and this white rectangle also, lock this also. Nice. Now drag these images little down. Perfect. And now if you want this line text, so it's a very simple. Select pen tool and make sure it's a shape. Now close the fill, open stroke by this dark color we have chosen for background. Select this color. Now make a line from here to here and give here 5 the width of the stroke. Nice. Now this is our line and I will put here our text in the center. So press Ctrl A. Now select move tool and click on this icon. Now press Ctrl D. Now drag your line just little down like this and now click on your line layer and go to this icon. This is called mask. So we have a white color mask. Now select this selection tool and just make a selection according to your text like this. And now this black color should be same as mine. Now press Alt Delete, press Ctrl D. Make sure you have selected this white mask. So that's it. This is our line effect. Now and here I have given text. So this is very simple, you can write it down by yourself. So just write that and align that in the center. Perfect. And now we can small our product like this and little up. Yeah, perfect. This one also. Now we have to make this shop now button. So just click on this rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this and open fill by this color. We can choose color later. As of now we are going to make this a layout. Like now this is our rectangle and put it here. Now this is my font, so this is only Poppins here, and this is Montserrat, and this one also Montserrat. And here you see this is a regular and this is a bold font. Now right here shop now, I will choose the font name is Mont. Hit OK. Now press Ctrl T and enlarge it like this, move it here. Now drag this layer all above the layers and select your rectangle and shop now text and just align them up like this. Now select your rectangle, now press Ctrl T and resize it like this. Now put it here and now double click on your text and choose white color. Hit OK. That's fine. Now press Ctrl A, align them in the center alignment, and this text also. Yeah, perfect. And now this time we need this logo from here. Now select this rectangle, press Ctrl T and enlarge it a little bit, then again lock it. So now it's time to choose a right color. So I will show you a trick for the best color. Take a hue saturation layer and change some hue. So you will see, you can see here a lot of colors and you can see what color is matching according to your design. So this is my small trick. So I will choose as I given in the font, this one. So this color is looking fine to me and I have to change this line color. So just select this line and press A. Now click on this stroke, click on this icon and choose this color. Hit OK. Yeah, that's it. And for this rectangle also choose this color. Nice. Now it's time to save this image in your file manager. So just go to file and click on this save as. So if you are using new Photoshop, so just click on this save a copy and choose the path where you want to save. So I will save here in JPEG format. So you can save in the PSD format also and JPEG also. Click on this save icon. Now this should be full. Hit OK. So like this we can design this type of post or banner, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy, please like this video, also subscribe this channel, and I have also started a new channel for gaming live stream. Please support that also, subscribe that channel also. So I will meet you in the next video. Until that, and thank you so much for watching this video.